Premiere Pro is one of the world's most popular editing softwares, but it can also be a little bit tricky to learn. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can add basic transitions to your videos. Now, adding basic transitions to your Premiere Pro videos is actually quite easy. As you can see, we have Premiere Pro fired up here with the two video clips on the timeline right next to each other. Now, if you want to apply any transitions to your videos, you just open the effects panel, which you can find in the window menu, and then going to effects or using Shift+7. Once that's done, just double click on video transitions and you'll have all of your video transitions ready to go. Now select one that you want. For example, let's try the band vibe, and drag and drop it right in between the two video clips. Sometimes if the video clips are very short, you might get a message like insufficient media and the transition will contain repeated frames, but it's generally not going to be a problem. So you can just click OK and dismiss that. And now if you get this window out of the way, you can see that as the video plays, there is a band vibe transition. Now the transitions that are already present in Premiere Pro are actually quite basic, but they will get the job done if you want to just apply a quick transition in between. Alternatively, you can use the Ctrl+D shortcut to apply the default video transition in Premiere Pro in between two clips, which is the cross dissolve. So just select the cut using either the left or the right of the clip, press Ctrl+D, you might get that message, we're going to dismiss it, and you'll have the cross dissolve transition right here. So if I play the video, there's a cross dissolve. Now you can adjust this transition by selecting it and then dragging it left and right to change its length so that the transition lasts longer and there's a slower fade and things like that. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if you want to see more such content. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.